Good morning, thank you for joining me for part 2. Part 1 I did this ring pour with the Halloween colours. So that is the ring pour all dry. So this is dry. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to do a Dutchpour down the bottom. I prefer this top bit than what I do the bottom bit, so I'm going to start here and just work up. Now I'm going to be doing it a bit different. I'm going to do a Dutchpour on a dry base and see how that goes. So hopefully this works out. So first of all, I think I might put white as my base. So I'm just going to put a bit of white right down the middle here. Then I'm going to put the Amsterdam yellowish green. So they're still the same colours that were in my ring pour. Then I will go the orange. Probably don't want that much orange. Then I might, the silver I will put on last. I just want a little bit of black, not much black, just a little bit of black. Okay. Then I'm going to do the purple. And my silver. Okay, so I'll give this a little bit of a torch. Just a very quick torch, and we will blow this out. Okay, so I will bring you down and have a look. Okay, I'm going to give it a little bit of a torch. Okay, so that's my little Dutchpour on a dry base. I didn't want it to go over the edge. I still wanted to see all my ring pour. So when this dries, it's the same colours as these, but it'll have that Dutchpour in the middle. Okay, so okay, so there's my dry ring pour. And that's my dry ring pour. And then I just did the same colours, but just did a Dutchpour on the top. And then see what that looks like when it dries. There we go.